Hi friends, we will now read a poem relating to building up trust, because trust is a very important thing in building up any institution. So this poem is about that. I will read the poem, I will explain the poem, then again we will see a couple of words in this poem, then again we will close by repeating the poem. Vishwasas sampadam moolam tena yuthapatirgajah simho mrugadhipatyepi na mrugaih parivaryate. So in this shloka, two jungle lords are contrasted here. Comparison and contrast, compare and contrast. Two jungle lords. Who are the two jungle lords? One is the lion and the other is an elephant. So a lion is always a loner. Of course, lion you see some of the cubs and things like that, but lion usually is not followed by other animals. Lion family may be there, but it is not followed by other animals. Whereas an elephant, not only followed by other elephants, but followed by several other mild smaller animals. There may be deer, there may be some other jackals, there may be some rabbits, and so many animals, they are walking along with this elephant. So because elephant breaks something and then that gives food for a smaller animal. So like that, many other animals are dependent on it and then they trust the elephant. So these two jungle lords, they are compared here. Because one is not threatening others, the other one, there is no trust. So Vishwasaha Sampadam Moolam. Vishwasa means a trust. Trust is very important for building up anything. I put my money in the bank because I trust it. Because if I don't trust the bank, I will not put my money in the bank. Not only me, but thousands and thousands of people trust the bank and then they put money in a bank. Of course, there may be cases where the banks, they take away the money, but then a responsible bank doesn't do that. So usually we trust our banks. And any institution is built up by trust only. Political, whether it is politics or whether it is any other economic policy, there is a trust. So the trust only builds up any big, leads to success. So Vishwasaha Sampadam Moolam Tena, by that Yuthapatir Gajaha. Gajaha means an elephant. Elephant is called Yuthapati. Yutha means a team. It is called a team leader. Yuthapati. It is called a team leader. Then Simho Mrugadhipatyepi. Simha. Lion is also afraid. Lion also is it is not afraid, it creates fear. It creates a sense of fear in the minds of so many people. But then, na mrugaih parivaryate. It is not surrounded by any other animals. It is surrounded by only by its lioness and cubs, but not by any other animal. So that is what is this shloka. So now we can compare with the modern situation. Even a country, suppose, a country is assessed on its, the degree of honesty in a country, the degree of credibility of institutions. There are what are called credibility ratings. We talk about credibility ratings for a particular institution or even a country. So we talk about that. So this poem, it applies to, it simply says, trust begets trust. So that is the simple message of this. So it also says that a very tough policy may not succeed always. A very tough boss, suppose a very tough boss is there who uses only hard power. Nowadays we talk about hard power and soft power. A person who always uses hard power, people may be scared of him for some time, but people inwardly they dislike him also. Suppose a person is using only hard power, he is using only authority on you. You may be scared, you may do some work, but then inwardly you may be nurturing some hate, you just don't like him. You just hate him. So, but then a good leader who doesn't use that hard power, he is loved by all, he is always followed by a big retinue, and then this credibility of that gentleman is much more than the credibility of a lion, a boss lion. Instead of a boss elephant is better than boss lion. So that is what it says. So here in this shloka is a very simple shloka. So I will read this shloka again. Vishwasaha, this shloka, Yuthapati, not many difficult words are there. Simhaha, Mrugadhipatye api. Though it is called the Lord of the Jungle, na Mrugaihi, na parivaryate. That is, it is parivara. You know, parivara means a retinue. Parivara, a king's parivara. That is a king's retinue. Parivaryate means it is followed. Na parivaryate. It is not followed by any retinue. A very simple shloka. We will read it again. Vishvasas sampadam moolam tena yuthapatirgajah simho mrugadhipatyepi na mrugaih parivaryate. Okay, fine.